Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a background for your products in Canva. So now all you have to do, you can open Canva. This is the web version. Don't forget to sign in. So here you can go to the apps, click apps and click AI powered. Here we go. You can see there is a product studio, beautiful background for your products. So this is a product image reimagined with AI. So you can take your photo product to the next level with this product studio app. Simply upload your product images and the AI crafts striking advertisement by pairing item with premium background. So you can click use in new design, for example. So here, upload image of your product and describe the background to combine and generate product photography. So include your product in the prompt for the best result. So this is, you can import prompt background description. So let's choose file, upload the products, and here you can use a background description, for example, like a school or class, and generate. So generating your product photography, this may take a few seconds. So the background is generated. This is my original product and this is the result with the classroom prompt. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.